flight directors go for launch. We have liftoff.
Vehicles pitching downrange. Booster after chamber pressure nominal.
"30 seconds into the flight, the rumble's just starting to reach us here.
Max Q.
Maximum aerodynamic pressure, the most stress the vehicle's going to see on the way uphill. Our next major milestone coming up, it's going to be hot staging. The next thing coming up, first we're going to see the booster's engines start to shut down. All but 3. We're going to do what's called most engines cut off instead of main engine cut off, because 3 are going to keep going. And then we're going to see the engines on ship ignite. Right now, the tower team is doing their coming up on hot staging next.
Ship engine
There's
startup.
most engines cut off.
Stage separation. Booster
Stage
separate.
separation. Hot ship under its own power. I'm seeing 6 out of 6 Raptors lit. We did hear that the tower is go for catch, so that was one of the big criteria we were looking for.
And in order to...
And guys, we should just be about 30 seconds away from our landing burn. It's going to happen in 3 phases. We're going to land 13 engines, burn off all that velocity. Oh, we can see it coming down through the plume.
Engines and this view is incredible right now.
Landing burn
13 engines.
ignited. We're now down to 3 Raptor engines. We can see those chopsticks now in view.
Micadilla had popped the booster.
This is absolutely insane. On the first ever attempt, we have successfully caught the Super Heavy booster at the launch tower.
What an incredible view!
Are you kidding me?
Dan,
Wow.
I don't know about you, but we're losing our stuff up
Start
here.
in terminal bed.
Guys, I'm sorry. Like, even in this day and age, what we just saw, that looked like magic.
That
Oh,
was-
wow.
Dad,
Wow.
your view must have been insane! We are still going wild over here over this.
Folks, this is a day for the engineering history books. Dan, I love this. You are reflecting exactly what everybody else here in Hawthorne, except maybe a little bit more because you got to see it with your own eyes.
How was that?
Ship
We
engine
got
cut
it.
off.
Well, I mean, like, I can't even describe that. Oh, by the way, ship, main engine cut off, ship's in orbit, but I am like shaking right now. That was...
Yeah, this is not,
Yeah,
I mean,
let's check in on ship.
it's hard to believe that.
Starship nominal orbit insertion.
All right, exciting news there. It's hard to believe that, booster isn't the only excitement that we have today. Just confirmation there. A gorgeous view of planet Earth behind the ship.
Yes, saved.
And it is now in the orbit that we expected it to.
Terminal entry trajectory.
Has begun. This is an indication that we are starting to flow a little bit of the super cold right-hand corner of your screen. You can see that speed decelerating rapidly. Now, the 4 flaps on the ship help steer the vehicle, and one of the main objectives for the ship today is to demonstrate controlled re-entry during this phase of flight. This re-entry.
What a cool view of the reflection of that landing burn.